So you want to go to theater school. In order to get to theater school, you need 2 acceptances. You need to be accepted to the theater program, and you also need to be accepted to the school at large. Let's start with the school at large, because that can tend to be easier sometimes depending on the school. So in order to get into college, you need to apply, right? So you apply academically to the school like a normal student. And you do that through the Common App or some other sort of application system that particular school uses. Now, if you're accepted to the school at large, great. You are one step closer to being a theater major, but not quite there. Let's go over to the other side, the theater major and the theater program side. So programs are either audition-based or non-audition based. You don't have to audition to get in, or you do have to audition to get in. If there's a program that's non-audition based and you've already been accepted to that school, then congratulations, you're a theater major. But that's not how most programs are. There are some great programs like that, but not most. Most you have to audition to get into. And if it is an audition-based program, you want to ask yourself a very important question. Do they pre-screen or not? Now, pre-screens are an audition to get an audition. They're in the form of videos that you send to schools, 1 minute or 60 to 90 seconds basically, and you sing and do monologue, and there's this thing called a wild card. I'll make another video about it in the future. But you have to ask yourself, do they pre-screen or do they not pre-screen? If a school does not pre-screen, well, then you can actually just schedule yourself an audition right from the start. And if you pass that audition, then congratulations, you are going to be a theater major. So if they don't pre-screen, right, schedule the audition. If you pass the audition, you're accepted, and you've been accepted to that school, congratulations, you are going to theater school. But today, more and more programs are pre-screening. So if they do pre-screen, you need to ask yourself, do they pre-screen through the common pre-screen requirements or through their own set of requirements? Again, more videos in the future. But either way, you submit your pre-screens, and if you pass your pre-screen, then and only then can you schedule an audition. If you don't pass your pre-screen, that unfortunately is the end of the road with that school. You won't be attending in the fall. But if you do pass your pre-screen, you can schedule your audition. If you pass that audition, then you're accepted to the theater program. You've already been accepted to the school. Then, whoa, you are going to theater school. You're a theater major. I hope all that makes sense. If it doesn't, email me, steven@nyccollegeauditioncoach.com.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.